I've been working on my miniature self. I've been trying so hard to keep things small. Small. And the voice that she found, it turned from paper into stone. And the voice that she found was the voice of 6 long years. She was beautiful. My horse is the finest of breeds. He lives upon just what he needs. He's taken me places I needed to go, but I just did not want it. I just did not want it anymore. We could dye our hair blue, pastel sorbet for two, weaving